Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to tag someone in Instagram story. So for example, I want to update a story and I want to tag my friends in the story. So first, I've already opened the Instagram and then I'm going to add a new story. So just click on the plus icon and choose the story. For example, I want to update this, and then what you need to do next is click on the a icon at the top, and here you'll find mention. Just click on this and then the add will be show up, and you can just type in your friends Instagram usernames. For example, okay, for example this one right here, and then when you're done just click on done, and you can adjust to put the mention in wherever you like, or there are also other ways. You can just type in the sticker icon at the top, and you'll find again the mention option. Just click this and find the your friend's username. Okay, for example this one, and you can also adjust it as you like. Okay, when you're done just click on your story to update the story. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can add Instagram, you can tag someone in Instagram story. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.